What's up, guys? So if you're seeing an issue with your Instagram account where you get something like this, where it says user not found, or you get something like this, where it asks you to verify by entering a security code, but you really never get the code, or you need to contact Instagram support anyways, and you need their attention, then you are watching the right video. So chances are your account is probably blocked or banned. So I'm going to show you the following steps that I took, and they worked out for me. So before I show you the steps, I want you to please show me your support by clicking on that subscribe button and liking this video. All right, so the first step you want to do is go to the Instagram Help Center. I'm using my computer, my PC, my Windows, so I can simply just go to Google and type in Instagram Help Center. You don't have to log into Instagram to get to this page. It's available for public. So the first thing you do is when you get to the Instagram Help Center is to go to the part where it says troubleshooting and login help. And then the very first part where it says I can't log in, you click on that. A list of options will come up. So scroll down to the part where it says, what can I do if I've lost access to the email or phone number I signed up with on Instagram? You click on this. And then you go to the very first blue link you see, learn how to change your email from your Instagram profile. Click on this. You'll see some instructions. Well, you're gonna skip through to the last part where it says learn more about what you should do. Another menu option that will come here. You scroll down to the very last piece where it says would like to hear more about your experience so we can continue to improve our support options. This is the part where you submit or contact Instagram through this request. So you'll see blank fields that you're gonna have to fill up. So your username, your Instagram username, your email or phone number that's associated with your account, your link to your account, just simply following this format that they give you, Instagram's, and then your username here. And then you have this question. Let's ask you if you've tried following the steps listed in the Help Center to get help through the Instagram app. You're gonna wanna say yes, and then it will automatically generate a list of questions. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you tell them that you've exhausted all the help that was available in the Help Center. And once you fill up all this information, you're gonna click on send, and you will be expected, or the response will be expected to be prompt following these steps. I personally got my account activated about like, I don't know, hours, really couple hours, and I logged in and I was able to do the SMS verification. That's it. I hope this works out for you guys. You can contact Instagram support for any help using this method. I think they do look for you to follow all these steps. However, if you show them that you actually did that and done that, then there's a chance you'll get a faster response. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and we'll follow up for more contents. Thank you.